Reno Ground, Skyhawk 2291 Charlie, about Atlantic Aviation. I did connect you with information, hold power.
Skyhawk 2291 Charlie, Reno Ground, runway 16 left, taxi via Charlie.
Taxi to runway 16 left via Charlie, Skyhawk 91 Charlie.
We're going to Charlie 4.
Horizon Air 2091, Arena Ground, take to the ramp via Alpha.
To the ramp via Alpha, Horizon 2891.
Reno clearance, AM flight 4146, information hotel, IFR Burbank. Reno clearance, AM flight 4146, information hotel, IFR Burbank.
AM flight 4146. Reno clearance to the Burbank Airport via the Reno 9 departure. Flight vector is Victor 6. Reno filed. Maintain 15,000. Departure frequency will be 119.2. Squawk 6316.
Roger, AM flight 4146, cleared to the Burbank Airport via the Reno 9 departure. Expect vectors join Victor 6 and that file, climb maintain 15,000. Departure frequency 119.2, squawk 6316. And sir, if we could amend the final altitude to 1440.
The frequency will be 119.2, squawk 6316.
Roger, AM flight 4146, cleared to the Burbank Airport, be the Reno 9, departure, expect vectors, join Victor 6 and that's file, maintain 15, 15,000, departure frequency 119.2, squawk 6316, and sir, if we could amend the final altitude to 14,000 for AM flight 4146.
AM flight 4146, maintain 14,000, expect that.
Well, climb maintain 14,000, we'll expect that the final for AM flight 4146, break, Reno ground, AM flight 4146, Atlantic ramp ready for taxi.
AM flight 4146, Reno ground, runway 16 left, taxi to over.
16 left via Charlie, AM flight 4146. We could amend the final altitude to 14,000 for AM flight 4146.
AM flight 4146, maintain 14,000, expect that.
Well, climb maintain 14,000, we'll expect that the final for AM flight 4146, break, Reno ground, AM flight 4146, Atlantic ramp ready for taxi.
AM flight 4146, Reno ground, runway 16 left, taxi to over.
16 left via Charlie, AM flight 4146.
AM flight 4146, hold your position on the ramp for traffic inbound.
Hold position, AM flight 4146. Left via Charlie, AM flight 4146.
AM flight 4146, hold your position on the ramp for traffic inbound.
Hold position, AM flight 4146.
So this is 11 Golf, the Cherokee following 12 o'clock, a mile and a half, left base 5,500. American 546, if able, turn right on runway 25.
Right on 25, we could do that, American 546.
American 546, cross runway 16 right, then kind of ground point under.
Ground point 9 after we cross runway 16 right, American 546.
So this is 11 Golf, Cherokee, 11 o'clock, 1 mile, left base, the final 5,200.
Holding short, runway 16 left at Charlie, ready for departure.
Princess 11 Golf, say again, you were stepped on. Princess 11 Golf, Roger, I'll call your base. This is 2291 Charlie, Reno Tower, hold short, runway 16 left, landing traffic.
Hold short, runway 16 left, south 901 Charlie.
Tower, but here's a 36 Lima Foxtrot, the GPS X-ray 165.
That's 36 Lima Foxtrot, Reno Tower, runway 16 left, continue.
Traffic is saying 11 Golf.
Princess 11 Golf, Roger, I'll call your base here in about a half mile. I was going to get a departure out between you and the Cherokee.
Works for me, thanks.
Cessna 11 Golf, base trigger your discretion. Square at the final, please. Runway 16 left, continue. Traffic will be holding in position.
11 Golf.
Cessna 91 Charlie, runway 16 left, line up and wait. Traffic turning a 3 mile left base. Twin Cessna, be ready.
Line up and wait, runway 16 left, start 91 Charlie, we'll be ready.
Here's 26 Romeo, turn left, next taxiway, no delay exiting, please. And cut back ground point 916. This is 91 Charlie, runway 16 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 16 left, start 91 Charlie.
Cessna 11 Golf, runway 16 left, clear to land.
Dead land, 16 left, 11 Golf.
Bonanza 6 Lima Foxtrot, number 2, follow Twin Cessna, 1 mile final, runway 16 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 16 left, number 2, 65.
Twin Cessna 1 Golf, where are you parking? Twin Cessna 1 Golf, turn left at Juliet, Charlie to park and monitor ground. There's a 6 Lima Foxtrot, where you park?
Northeast tank. 65.
You said East Hangar?
Yeah, the northeast tank.
Thank you. This is 91 Charlie, Connect NorCal departure, good day.
Going to NorCal, Skyhawk 91 Charlie, have a good day. NorCal, Skyhawk 2291 Charlie is at 5,500, climbing 7,500.
November 2291 Charlie, NorCal approach, I-10, clear altitude one more time.
Skyhawk 2291 Charlie is at 5,600, will ID.
And Skywatch 5469, did you check on as well? Yeah, 5469 NorCal approach, expect the visual approach, runway 16 left, it's going to maintain 1000. Skyhawk 901 Charlie, radar contact northeast of Reno, resume all navigation.
Skyhawk 901 Charlie, position checks, will resume on nav.